Fetch Rewards eReceipt issues usually come from the receipt upload process, account settings, or the receipt format not being recognized correctly. By the end, you'll know the main reasons Fetch Rewards eReceipts fail, and the steps to check before contacting support. The first thing to check is whether the eReceipt option is connected to the correct account. Fetch Rewards only applies receipt activity to the account that is signed in when the purchase information is processed. Open the Fetch Rewards app and confirm that you are logged into the account you normally use. If you recently changed email addresses or created another account, the receipt may not appear where you expect it. The next step is checking whether the retailer and purchase information are supported. An eReceipt may not work if the purchase does not meet the requirements for Fetch to recognize it. Make sure the email address connected to your shopping account matches the email address connected inside Fetch Rewards when using email-based receipt features. If the accounts are not connected correctly, Fetch may not find the purchase. If your receipt is missing, check your app version. Updates can fix problems where features stop responding or do not load correctly. Update Fetch Rewards from your device's app store, then reopen the app and try again. You should also check your internet connection and restart the app. A temporary connection problem can prevent receipt information from syncing correctly. If the receipt still does not appear, avoid submitting the same receipt repeatedly. Duplicate submissions can create additional issues instead of fixing the original problem. Instead, check the receipt details carefully and make sure the purchase date, store information, and receipt email are correct. Small differences in account information can prevent automatic matching. For ongoing problems, use the support option inside the Fetch Rewards app. Include details about the issue, the type of receipt, and the steps you already tried so support can review the problem faster. The main fixes are checking your connected account, confirming the receipt information is supported, and making sure the Fetch Rewards app is updated. Start by checking your account connection first, because that is the quickest thing to verify. If this guide helped you fix your Fetch Rewards eReceipt problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.